Kinilala na lareng bayong halala opisyalis ng Pampanga Press Club o PPC para king banwang 2025 hanggang 2027. I-President Emeritus Max Sangil at Chairman ng Election Committee imig proklama kareng bayong opisyal.
I do now proclaim the winners in this November 29 presidential, vice presidential, and board of directors elections, including the other officers. Okay? Please. You are now the winners.
Bayong presidente ni Aguman ni Lincoln Baluyot ning The Voice News Weekly kay bat mayari king taya 14-14 laban kang Executive Vice President Minerva Arceo. Inareglo ing taya resulta kapamilataning toss coin.
1, 2, 3.
It's a flower!
Kinilala namang Executive Vice President Ian Flora ng Sunstar Pampanga, ali namang imboto kang Ashley Manabat ng Business Mirror. Sekretary naman ni Ria Isidro ng Pampanga News Now. Treasurer, Imarna Del Rosario ng Philippine News Agency, kabang Itchak Kayabyab ng Sunstar Pampanga ing auditor. Mihalal na laman bilang directors dina Tonet Orejas ng Philippine Daily Inquirer, Pedok Bartolome ng New Media Pampanga, Ray Navales ng Sunstar Pampanga at Randy Isi. I-outgoing President Noel Tolabot ing Lukluk naman bilang chairman ng board. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking balen, susuyo.